Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the Let's Get It Done collab. Our host is a Prather Life. I can't wait to share with you all the things we got from Sam's and Kroger's for $300. Yeah, it had been a very long time since we've been at Sam's. Hello everybody, Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today we did a $300 grocery haul, Sam's and Kroger's. We got a lot of stuff. Here's what we got. First, we'll start off at Sam's. Finish.
That's the only thing they had in mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Not exactly what I wanted.
They didn't have the jar. That's a 2-pack.
2-pack of Tums or antacid. Chocolate for Thad's chocolate milk. 2 things of
Crumb bacon. Grab that other thing behind it, that chicken.
2 things of Jif peanut butter. 2 things of ketchup. 2 things of canola oil. I was completely out. We tried these, and these are really good. These are really good, and doesn't seem as salty as the last one.
9 grams of protein.
9 grams of protein, no sugar.
And your cucumbers.
And we got cucumbers. Sam's Haul, Mexican cheese, and my snack, O-Snap pickles. Because with the O-Snap pickles, there's zero calories in that. Great snack.
Okay.
This is our Kroger's haul. Ranch dressing, light ranch dressing. 2 things of Western dressing.
2 for $5.
It was 2 for $5. Salt.
We got
Orange marmalade. I'm going to do a orange chicken.
got 4 of those.
4 of these. Onions, I was completely out. I'm going to make some waffles for Thad a couple of days. So I got strawberry, chocolate chip, blueberry, and banana.
And we got buy 3, get 3 free on this A&W root beer.
Because Thad likes to take that to work. Okay. Buy 1, get 1 free. Klondikes. Thad can now take those to work. Spinach. Mozzarella sticks. Lettuce. Ooh, Thad got him some mint chocolate chip ice cream. Milk. Okay.